Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Chicks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create animated videos on Canva. So first, you just have to go to Canva and this is what it looks like. This is Canva's interface. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to go to Elements. Okay, go to Elements. And then this time, what we're going to do here is we have to look for something like a background. So for example, I'm going to look for a restaurant here that serves as our background. So type restaurant. And then here after that, you can select from graphics, photos, or video. But for this time, I'm going to choose graphics and look for a background here, a restaurant background. And actually, if you found that, what you're going to do is to simply tap that image or graphics and then move it to the blank page. So let's just say this one right here, I want to move it to the blank page and then right click and set this as image background. So this is what it looks like. So this is the restaurant. Now we're going to look for people or a moving person. So you can type here man or walking man, man walking, something like that. And then after that, press enter. Then you will see here different kinds of men, but you have to look for someone who's moving, something like this. Okay, so you can just simply drag that person or graphic anywhere here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. There is this restaurant and a person walking. You could also add by just tapping that person and then move it right here. So if you look for something like a photo, it's not moving. So you have to look for something or an object that is moving. For example, this one. And then you can just simply resize it by tapping this circle and then moving it anywhere here on the page. Now, feel free to add more objects if you want. So you can also look for something like man eating or man jumping, something like that, or man exercising as long as that object is moving. So if I look for man sitting here, then I can see these pictures, these images, but the object isn't moving. But if you want, it's okay. So let me look another. So let's just say man eating. Let's see if there is an object here that is moving related to man eating. Okay, so as you can see, there's none. Okay, so but if there is on your Canva, then all you have to do is to move, or you can just simply upload also if you want. Just go to upload and then insert or put that image here. Okay, so here we're done with the restaurant. Then if you want to add, then you can click this plus icon to add another background again. So for this time, let's have this coffee shop as a background. So I'm going to type inside coffee shop. Okay, so after that, what you're going to do is to press enter. Then you will see here graphics and photos about coffee shop. So all you have to do is to drag that coffee shop background that you want. So tap and then put it in the blank page, right click and then set as image background. Tap this one right here. So we have the coffee shop as our background. And same thing, you just have to go to elements again and then look for an object or element that is moving. For example, man drinking coffee. Okay, so you just have to look for a moving object right here. For example, this one. So since it's caught, then we cannot put it in the chair on the chair, but you just have to put it this way. Okay, and then resize this. So it looks like this one right here. Okay, so it's like man is sitting on another chair. And then if you want to add again, then we can put it right here. But since there's no legs, so we can just simply move it down right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we have two men drinking coffee. And that's it. So you can just simply add more if you wanted to. So for this time, let's add another again. This time it's park. Okay, so let's look for like park, amusement park, or parking lot, water park. Everything is up to you. And if you look something like this, so all you have to do is to drag. However, there are some images that you can set as a background. But if you do, then it's not really good to see. So you have to change another one here. So instead of looking for amusement park. So I just want to look for a park and then right click, set as image background. Okay, and then same thing, elements, and then look for men biking, cycling. Everything is up to you. Then this is what it looks like. You have to look for something that is moving. Now, if you want to, create a video that it's really moving, like from this place to another place, then all you have to do is to duplicate this one. And then the duplicated version, you have to move the bike up right here. And then duplicate this one again, right click, duplicate the page, and then move it right here. And then duplicate again, and then move it right here. So I'm going to show you the result later. So this is how you create an animated video here on Canva. So if you want to add transition, if you want to add effects, everything is up to you. All you have to do is to tap the page, okay, and then look for the transition. Like for example, this one, right click, add transition. You can look for any transition like this. For example, this one. So all you have to do is to look for that specific transition that you want. Okay, so anyways, once you're done, then you can tap share and then download this as video or as PDF if you want. But for me, I highly recommend as video. Okay, and then if you want to see the result, then this is the result. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And then move again. Okay, and then this one right here. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.